Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to back up your WhatsApp chats quickly and safely, so none of your conversations, photos, or videos are lost. Whether you're upgrading your phone or just want some peace of mind, this simple walkthrough will make sure your messages are secure and ready to restore anytime. First, open the WhatsApp app on your old phone. Take a second to make sure the app is updated to the latest version. It helps avoid any unexpected errors during the backup. Once you're in, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This opens a small menu. From there, select Settings to access all your account and chat options. Next, tap on Chats. Here, you'll find everything related to your chat history, things like wallpaper, font size, and backup options. Scroll down until you see Chat Backup. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the chat backup page, you'll see details about your last backup like the date, time, and where the backup is stored. You'll also notice options to include videos or to backup using mobile data or Wi-Fi, depending on your preferences. Now, tap back up. WhatsApp will start saving all your messages, photos, and media files. The process can take a few minutes depending on how much data you have, so sit tight and keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and power if possible. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation note that your backup has successfully completed. That's it, you've just backed up your WhatsApp chats. If you ever switch to a new device, you'll be able to restore all your conversations during setup by choosing the same Google or iCloud account you used for the backup. Backing up regularly will keep your memories, business messages, and group chats safe no matter what happens to your phone. Thanks for watching.